Good evening. Buenos noches, Beauty Divas. How you doing? I'm awake, probably for the rest of the night. I feel great, baby. I feel great. Got my cough drop in again. I was just coughing. This is a product review of Walgreens. My medical sponsor of the year, Walgreens.com, WalmartBeautyBox.com, Walmart.com. I shopped Walmart last night. A little shaky because of the cart. Hurt my thumb. It popped out of socket. My foot is shaky from walking up and down the aisles, and the scooter was out of control. It was too freaking fast. I said to my husband, I'm not coming back for Black Friday. Hell no. I got things from Macari. My bra did not fit, but the socks and underwear fit. I'm selling the bra for $15 plus free shipping on Macari. Check out my store link in the product description. I got Patreon back. Check that out. It's the same link. I paid for my monthly subscription thanks to my husband. Thank you so much, Honey Bunny, for a great year. Thank you, Honey Bunny, for a great year. This is a product review of Walgreens Ricola Swiss Alpine Herbs Honey Lemon Echinacea. The delivery guy was very professional, named Ahmed. I really appreciate that, from Uber. And Uber took me to Walgreens. I picked up my Addison's disease medicine tonight. A little shaky from it, but that will stop. This is just from walking down freaking Walmart last night with a sprained ankle and a messed up right hip. The Addison's disease is like premenopause. Your body cannot regulate temperature. It's the hot and cold, hot and cold, hot and cold. And no matter what you do to insulate your feet or your core parts of your body, you be shivering. I feel like I need the heater up right now. I'm shivering like a 4-leaf clover. And I don't know what it's on. I'm shivering, honey.
It's actually on cool.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Hold on, guys. Even my husband's coughing but refused a cough drop. He just got that smoker's cough. You think this is bad? You should look at my photo album. I just saw it on Google. December 2023 was the worst. At least this month coming up, I get paid December 3rd. I'm calling the freaking chiropractor tomorrow. I cannot wait 6 more days for my back to be adjusted. It's driving me so crazy. And they're going to help me with my short leg stuff. I got the advertisement in the back pillow. All I've got is this Christmas pillow. There's baby kitty. Maybe I will make it. But December 2nd, I'm taking Jackson County Mass Transit. We are low on money. My poor husband has spent so much. He would sacrifice another few dollars just for me. Our Uber cash went so quickly today. I'm going to file a complaint because it took like 5 times today just to get a ride to Walgreens. Jesus, that was Donald. I rode with him before a while back, like 6 years ago, but he's 50. He don't remember. I was having a good time with him. His car was so warm and toasty, and the Uber Eats guy, I didn't want to say this in front of my husband, was good looking. Ahmed, but very professional. I'm already married. I just came out of the shower. I said, oh, it's windy. Thank you, sir. So this is Ricola Swiss Alpine Herbs, cough suppressant, oral anesthetic. It's been helping my teeth. Look at my teeth. I use Crest Pro Health. I can't talk with the cough drop in my mouth. So every time I cough, I use this. He doesn't want one. He's going to let me have them. There's 19 drops. Honey Lemon Echinacea. This is a great herbal treatment. You can crunch on it after a little while. I'm just going to suck on it the rest of the video. So, if you like my chill vibe and my videos, please give a thumbs up and share, like, and comment. It's easy peasy. And join Patreon. It's free to join. It really helped a lot. Your prayers really help a lot. I got the Catholic Mass app on my phone now. So after this short video, I will be turning back to prayer. I didn't finish tonight's sermon. Had to finish supper. God understands. God is good. See you guys later. I was meditating. I got my feet propped up. Talk to you later. Good night, peace seekers. Love you. Bye-bye, beauty divas. Mwah. Bye-bye. Peace.